Today we talk about how can you select texts on your Space app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next pair. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to next pair. Then all you have to do now, just click here on appearance here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on texts. So then it's going to take you to next pair. Then here can you select texts in this list here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us. So before that, you disable this and here can you control it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.